A nominee for both Best Supporting and Best Actress Oscars this evening. Welcome, Julianne Moore.
Good evening. When flickers were born, they gave birth to a generation of lip readers who never heard a movie cowboy with a Hungarian accent or a sex goddess with a voice deeper than her leading man's. Then came the revolutionary addition of sound. For this milestone year, here are the nominees for Achievement in Sound. Michael Minkler, Dominick Tavella, and David Lee for Chicago. Tom Fleischman, Eugene Garrity, and Ivan Chirac for Gangs of New York. Christopher Boyes, Michael Szymanczyk, Michael Hedges, and Hammond Peake for The Lord of the Rings, The Two Towers. Scott Millen, Bob Beamer, and John Patrick Pritchett for Road to Perdition. Kevin O'Connell, Greg P. Russell, and Ed Novick for Spider-Man. And the Oscar goes to Michael Minkler, Dominick Tavella, and David Lee for Chicago.
This is Michael Minkler's second Academy Award and his 9th nomination. This is the first Oscar and nomination for Dominick Tavella and David Lee.
Well, being a third-generation sound man, I knew at a young age what I wanted to do in my life, and it was when I saw West Side Story for the first time when I was really young, I thought to myself, that's a goal. I want to work on a picture like that, a magnificent musical. So, Harvey Weinstein, thank you very much for that. And not to be redundant, but Rob, you're fantastic, and thank you very much for everything. Dave.
Peggy, I'd like to say I love you, honey. I wish you were here with me. But I know you're right there in Toronto at Unimas having a wonderful time. Don Carmody, I wish there were more producers like you, man. And to my boom man and my crew, Dennis Bellingham and Jason McFarling, I love you too.
Love you, Miley. Love you, Dora.